Good afternoon, everyone. Here in Texas, we had big rain last night. Thank the Lord it wasn't really severe or anything. But things are starting to pop in the garden. Look at this. Just since last night. Ah, the wonders of rain. I know it looks a bit messy. We had to move everything up by the house because of the high winds that were expected. Sadie, out. Sadie's investigating. You see, everything's coming up. There's my lettuce. Got purple lettuce. Sadie. There she is, being a bad girl. Get out of the garden. Move. Thank you. Sorry about that, guys. There's the garlic, the onions. This is kale with a big sunflower. I don't know if it's going to work. I thought if I put the sunflower in the middle when it got big, that it would shade them during the hot summer. Here's my kale, which I eat, but also my rabbits. This is just the beginning. It's cilantro. My mint plants are really taking everything. Over here I haven't planted yet. I just cleared it. Look at this mint. I bought a very small dying mint at Walmart and a rosemary. And within 4 days, I was able to cut it and make 5 plants. This is just one of them. I love mint. Mint is good for your sinuses, for making tea. And my bunnies. Oh, they're popping up. Look at that. There's some potatoes. Potatoes. This is my squash. And that's my cucumbers. That's for my nephew. I don't eat them. Okay, I've never grown strawberries before, but this one is a bit brown. Maybe Miss Angie, if she's watching, can tell me what I need to do for that. More potatoes. More potatoes. I thought I'd try strawberry plant this year. My carrots are coming up. Here's my little garden. I planted sunflowers around the outside, and they're coming up nicely. Look at this. I'm sinking in the mud, guys. That's how much we got of rain. How much rain. Oh, didn't mean to scare you, little bird. You see those? Everything's starting to come up because of the rain. I've got things planted all around the sides too. But this is my little garden where I can keep all the critters out. You know, I love animals. They can have most of what I have, but not everything. There's another one. Look at these. Sunflowers are popping. Look at that squash. I'm excited. I can't wait till it grows. Uh-oh, my planter was blown around. Can't do much right now because of all the mud. But I thought I'd show you. And I just mowed and I'm already getting all these weeds up again. Here's my workstation. This is where I pot my plants. Yes, that's a doghouse taken apart because we have feral cats and I wanted them to have somewhere to get out of the rain. Look at that. Look at all that water. One of those set up for sitting outside. Look at this. That's my homemade compost. Had to put my wagon over here because it was full of water. It'll dry it out. And I think the rain didn't do well with my solar light. Oh, it's still working. Can you see? I don't know if it is. It's still working. Didn't show on the camera, but it's working. Tomatoes. There's another strawberry. More tomatoes. I might have to wait till some of this comes up. I had marked them and had little markers in the ground, and they've blown away. These are beans. See, there's another mint. Back there are my peas. I just planted a lot of lettuce, so it'll be coming up. Look at that. It was bare yesterday. Everything's coming up. This is going to be my okra plants. They popped overnight. This I've cleared. I cleared this yesterday except for the beginnings of some kale. I don't know what I want to plant here. I don't like spring very much. The rain is wonderful, but tornadoes terrify me. But I just thought I'd share a walk in the garden. I tell you, my feet are already wet. That's how much rain we got. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing it. Once it dries up, and like I said, it's a little bit messy now because we had to move everything. We were supposed to have very high winds, and we had to move everything up against the house. So it's not looking its absolute best right now. Oh my goodness, I think a piece of my towel flew off. Yeah, we'll see. Okay, that's it. Thank you for joining with me for the walk. And I hope you enjoyed this. I'll come back when it clears up. That was just a little quick survey of if there's any damage. I lost a planter right here. Have a great day.